Hello, my beautiful art friends. Elsa here. I have a very special challenge for you today. Can you help me transform my classic ice look into a bright, sparkly red heart dress? Let's do some magic together right now. Let's draw and color together.
Thank you, round of applause.
Wow, look at the cute shapes you are making. Drawing takes practice, and you are being so patient and careful. Keep your marker inside the lines, just like a real royal artist. I am very proud of your creativity. Let's trace Elsa's beautiful hair. She has bright, golden yellow hair today, styled in a long braid. Let's make soft, smooth lines for her hair. You are doing a wonderful job. Look at this big, wide skirt. It looks like a beautiful flower. Opening up, draw a big, curved line for the dress. Now, let's add the details. We are drawing pretty hearts all over the dress. Do you know what shape this is? It's a heart. Hearts mean love and kindness. Let's make them neat and lovely.
Wow, look at the cute shapes you are making. Those hearts look amazing. Drawing takes practice, and you are being so patient and careful. Keep your marker inside the lines, just like a real royal artist. I am very proud of your creativity.
Coloring. Cream. Red. Yellow. Let's fill the dress with a powerful red. Red is a beautiful warm color. It looks so bright and full of energy. Red. Green. Yellow. Orange. Pink. Purple. Pink. Color carefully inside the lines, like a true artist. Pink. Look closely. Elsa's dress has magical stripes of yellow, green, and purple. It's like a tiny rainbow inside her dress. What is your favorite color from this rainbow? Red. Pink and red look so pretty together. This dress is becoming the most colorful fashion piece ever. White. Glitter. Are you ready for the final magic? Let's add the sparkles. Sparkle.
Are you ready for some ice magic? Let's count to 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Shine. Oh, look at all the magical sparkles on my red hat. It is shining just like stars. Your drawing is absolutely perfect. Thank you for being my art friend today.
You did an amazing job today. Thank you for drawing this colorful dress with me. Ask your parents to subscribe to Princess Design Academy for more magical art lessons. See you next.